So we start off today's video with this beautiful pixie hair transformation. Wow, I really like the choppy, curly texture that she has within this cut. Beautiful baby bangs to frame out the face. She looks absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So it looks like someone is trying out a modern hair trend. Wow, beautiful kind of shaggy mullet style. This is gorgeous. And once again, we are seeing tons of variations of this particular hairstyle. And I love it every time I see it. Just so much fun. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another beautiful pixie haircut. This one also features quite a bit of body texture, especially there going in the crown. Beautiful. And then we have someone with hair around shoulder length. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh of this bob. The stylist cuts the hair, does a nice blowout. Oh, and she actually got a nice pixie bob haircut. Beautiful feathered bangs. Lots of volume within this cut. Very nice. And then we see someone with really pretty copper colored hair. Stylist cuts the hair into more of like a pixie style. Does a color refresh. Oh, she goes with more of like an orange copper. This is so pretty. Very nice. And once again, this pixie has so much texture, so much volume. Very nicely done. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. The stylist does a bob haircut. Put some color in as well as some bangs. Nice, simple, carefree, effortless bob style. So we move on to the next hair transformation. Oh, looks like she also decided to get like a shoulder length shaggy bob mullet variation. Oh, this is so pretty. This involves like so many trends. And then we have someone else getting like the baby bangs in a short bob style. And she's got like a light ginger for the hair coloring. Wow, beautiful mini bob. The bangs look great. Oh, this is so pretty. And it looks like she actually has blonde on top, and then it moves into that copper shade. Like a ginger copper tone. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.